Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Now in this video, I'm showing you guys my workshop. So right in front of me, this is the newest addition to my workshop. This is my pegboard slash backdrop, my new backdrop. Now I built this. This was originally a white pegboard. I painted the pegboard blue because I thought that blue would pop more on videos. I love this pegboard, has all the tools that I need. Now down here, this is my workbench over here. This is a up computer that Upward and Up was kind enough to send me two of their computers, and this is one of them that's connected right now. I did a video on this. If you're interested, it will be in the channel. And on the other end of the table here, that's a project that I finished. It's called The Insulting Art. And if you guys are interested in that, it's also in my channel right now. It's published. This here is a MacBook Pro that I have. I use that for like coding and stuff like that. And again, that's my pegboard. Now on this side here, this is where I do like my electronics building and stuff like that. I have here this AmpScope microscope, which I use for smaller boards. This is my bench power supply. Here, this is my Fluke multimeter. I love this Fluke multimeter. It's amazing. Here is my soldering station. This is a Hatco soldering station. This here is one of my WeWork stations that I have. And on this side is my computer, my microphone. I use this mic for all my videos, majority of my videos. And let's move on to this side. So right over here, this is my tool slash parts bins here. I have 3 of them, and they're pretty much filled, and I labeled all of them, and they're just filled with like parts and sensors and stuff like that, wires, Raspberry Pis, other single board computers. On this side is my 3D printing section. I have 2 3D printers, Prusa, and right here, this is my other one, my Snapmaker. Down here, I just have some various things there. And right here, this is a new shelf that I added to my bench. Well, not my bench, sorry. This is a new shelf that I added to my workshop. Down over here is my camera stuff. Got some, this is all like channel stuff, basically. This is, down there I have tools. Over here I have like parts to like, for future videos. I have some more parts for future videos. And again, my camera gear is right over there. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Rasim from RosmerTech.com, and thank you guys for watching.